Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's so important to make sure you find time to have fun with your family. And this Zume Games portable badminton set has really helped our family to have a lot of great times. What I love about this is that it's all in one easy carrying case. It has the poles, the net, the birdies, and 4 badminton rackets. It is extremely easy to put together. The poles are like a telescope that you can pull out, and then you put the net on each side. And the reason why this is so nice for families is that you can take it anywhere. You can take it with you to the park, set it up in the grass, have a good time. If you have some kids over, they can just go and play with that while the adults just relax. Or you can set it up in your backyard. It is such a well-made item, from the case to the equipment inside. It's got grooves where you can put the compacted poles right inside there, along with 4 little grooves where you can put the rackets. A spot to put the birdies and the net, and it zips right up. It is so wonderful. If you are a family that loves to be active and have a good time no matter where you are, this is the set for you. It is so much fun, so compact, so portable, and that's my point of view.